Growing on YouTube tips. Death Lord. How to grow on YouTube. Growing on YouTube can be a challenging but rewarding experience. Here are some tips that can help you grow your channel. Define your niche and target audience. Determine what your channel is about and who your target audience is. This will help you create content that is both engaging and relevant to your audience. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing videos that are well-researched, well-edited, and of high quality. Make sure your content is unique, interesting, and provides value to your audience. Optimize your videos for search. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos appear in search results. Make sure your videos are easy to find and understand. Promote your channel and videos. Share your videos on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers and participate in the YouTube community to build relationships and network. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and questions, and encourage your audience to engage with your videos by asking for their opinions and feedback.